There sometimes we need to redesign our website. So in this case, sometimes we like to delete our whole website and recreate one. So in this case, we need to reset our dashboard. For example, this is my current website, so I am trying to delete this whole website and create a new one. Okay, so I'm trying to delete all the information, etc. So in this case, we have to go to pages, then delete all the pages, and then go to media, then delete all the files from media, then go to theme, delete theme, then go to plugin, and then delete plugin and deactivate plugin. So this is the long process with a lot of settings. So but there is a plugin, and with the help of this plugin we can reset our WordPress dashboard within few seconds. So to do so, we have to click on add new plugin, then search WP reset. Okay, this is the one. Just simply install and click on activate. Okay, now we thank you for installing WP Reset plugin. Open tools, WP Reset to access setting tools and start developing. Okay, we can click on here, or from here we can click on open WP Reset tools, anything. Okay. Okay, we don't need to do anything, just go here and click reset. Okay, that's it, and click on reset site, and my site will be resetted. Okay, reset WordPress. Okay, my website is successfully resetted. If I go to my site and refresh, see, this is a completely new site. There is nothing content, everything is done. So this is a very simple process, and with this process you can easily reset your website and redesign your website. It will save a lot of time. If I go to plugin, okay, all my plugins are deactivated. Now if you want you can again activate this plugin when you are redesigning your website, or if you think you don't need all this plugin, just select all and then click on delete. Okay, this is our WPDC. We no need to anything. If I go to pages, then you can see there are no pages, all are deleted. If you go to media, all the media files are deleted. And if you go to theme, look, all the theme are deactivated. This is our default theme. Now if you want, you can delete this theme, or you can keep it, but again activate. Okay, I will delete. Okay, you don't need to check these things, and there are nothing you have to do. And that was the process, simple process. I hope you like this video, and if you really like and enjoy, then subscribe my channel.